the high-pressure washer will be properly packaged to prevent damage during transportation and storage. Use tools to remove the packing straps and open the packaging. The machine can be seen well preserved inside the box. The machine and all its accessories are as shown in the video. Install the outlet hose. First, connect one end of the outlet hose to the pump body. Then connect the other end to the spray gun. Install the inlet hose. First, install the filter onto the inlet hose. Then install the other end to the pump body. Unscrew the oil dipstick and prepare to add 4-stroke engine oil. Use a tool to add 350 milliliters of engine oil. After filling, use the oil dipstick to check the oil level. Ensure the oil level is within the marked range on the oil dipstick. Then reinstall the oil dipstick. Unscrew the fuel tank cap to prepare for adding gasoline. Use a tool to add an adequate amount of gasoline. Gasoline type: regular, unleaded gasoline. After filling, reinstall the fuel tank cap. Place the inlet hose into the water. Turn the on-off switch to the on position. Turn the fuel valve switch to the on position. Close the engine carburetor choke valve. For a warm engine, close it halfway. First pull gently to resistance, then pull forcefully to start. This two-step process prevents kickback from sudden full pulls. After starting the engine, immediately open the choke valve on the carburetor. Before starting to use, first press the spray gun trigger until water flows smoothly. Then attach the spray nozzle to the spray gun to begin high-pressure cleaning. The washer has strong pressure and a spraying distance of several meters, suitable for various scenarios in life. The actual usage is as shown in the video. If cleaning agent is needed, connect the hose to the machine. Then place the other end into the cleaning agent. When paired with the black nozzle set, it can produce a large amount of foam, significantly improving cleaning efficiency. To stop the engine, turn the on-off switch to OFF position. Turn the fuel valve switch to the OFF position. Close the engine carburetor choke valve. If the starter pulley is hard to pull after use, if the water hose cannot be removed, press the spray gun trigger to release the pressure inside the machine for normal use.